This video addresses the issue of engine models failing to start and provides solutions. First, we test whether the battery has power. We inserted the new batteries as instructed, ensuring they were fully charged. Different products may have different battery models. Please refer to the model number listed in the instruction manual. First, we remove the silicone protective cover from the spark plug wire. After turning on the switch, rotate our flywheel in any direction. Touch the spark plug directly with your hand, or bring the spark plug close without touching it, and observe whether a spark is generated at the spark plug. If there is a spark, it indicates that the ignition system is functioning properly. Step 2. Determine whether fuel has been added. 1. You can add gasoline, regular automotive gasoline. 2. Lighter fluid. Both of these are acceptable options. At this point, we flip the switch to start the engine. When starting the engine for the first time, cover the air intake with your hand. Note, cover it for only 1-2 seconds. The purpose of this is to draw oil from the oil pump into the engine using negative pressure. During the starting process, continuously adjust the throttle until the optimal starting air-fuel ratio is achieved. This value varies with different fuels and temperatures, so adjustments are necessary. If you hold the choke lever too long during startup, excessive fuel will enter the engine cylinders, causing the engine to flood and fail to start. At this point, we can reverse the flywheel to expel the large amount of fuel inside the engine. Then we'll start the engine in the correct direction. At the same time, we need to rotate the flywheel to check for any resistance. If resistance is present, it indicates cylinder pressure. If kerosene is used, the piston rings will need to be replaced. Lastly, regarding the main fuel needle, if you accidentally adjust it, you may not be able to start the engine again due to air-fuel ratio issues. Adjustment method is as follows. 1. Set the choke needle to its minimum tightest position. 2. Turn the choke needle clockwise 1/4 turn, then restart the engine. If unsuccessful, turn it another 1/4 turn. Repeat this process until the optimal air-fuel ratio is achieved.